Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make a sweet chili stir-fry lotus root. Yep, do you know the flower lotus? Yeah, I'm going to teach you how to make a dish out of the roots. You can actually find lotus roots from your local Asian grocers. They usually sell this in like 3 chunks, or you can get them in the frozen now as well. So let's get started. I've got some celery over here, so I'm gonna slice them diagonally. So for the carrots, just gonna use 1 full carrot. I'm gonna skin the carrot. I'm gonna cut it into half, and I'm gonna cut it diagonally as well. And I'm gonna add a clove of garlic. Finally, let's do the lotus root now. For the lotus root, if you're getting the frozen one, most of the time they've skinned it and make sure everything is clean. They come in round shapes. If you're using fresh one like I am here, so first thing, wash it, and then the next thing, just skin it off. Cut off the ends. Now because we're gonna be using it in a stir fry, I would recommend trying to cut it as thin as possible. Let's get our pan. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of oil to it. Now let's place our lotus root into the pan. We're gonna stir fry this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now that this is done, I'm gonna scoop it up and put it on another plate. Let's add the rest of the ingredients, the garlic, carrots, and the celery. Let's add a bit of water to our pan, and I'm gonna get some sweet chili paste. Adding a pinch of salt. I'm gonna add in all my vegetables. Lotus root is amazing as a sweet dish. So I'm gonna add a bit of sugar to this. I'm gonna coat them up. Okay guys, so this is our stir-fry sweet chili lotus root. Now we're gonna add a bit of sesame seeds just to garnish it. Right guys, time to taste this. Gonna get the lotus root. The texture itself is like a bit of celery because it's got like a nice crunch to it. The natural sweetness from the lotus root is like water chestnut. That sweetness, crispy water chestnut. Amazing. So guys, if you're ever visiting your local Asian grocer, make sure to have a look out on lotus root. And if you get a hold of it, make sure you try this recipe out because it tastes amazing. And if you like this video recipe, why not give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you've got any questions or suggestions, just leave them in the comments down below, and I'll see you next time. Ta-ra!